Salut mes amis, and welcome to Parlez, your friendly space to learn French in small and fun steps. I'm Caitlin, and today we're learning some must-know words to talk about where things are. These are your positioning words like above, below, behind, and next to. Super useful, super simple. Let's jump in. First up, we have above. In French, that is au-dessus. Now repeat after me. Au-dessus. 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 Now the opposite. Below. In French, this is en dessous. You can hear the similarity, so it's important to really distinct the au and en of the two words. So for en dessous, repeat after me. En dessous. En dessous. En dessous. Great, now let's do behind. You probably already know this word, and it is derrière. Make sure you pronounce it with the French accent and don't say it as derrière. Let's say it together. Derrière. 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 It's got that little ch in the middle. Don't worry if yours isn't perfect. Just relax your throat and kind of gargle softly. Derrière. Just think your derrière is behind you. And finally, next to. À côté de. À côté means next, and the de means to. Next to, à côté de. Repeat after me. À côté de. À côté de. À côté de. Alright, let's go over them one more time slowly. Above. Au-dessus. Below. En dessous. Behind. Derrière. Next to. À côté de. Great job, everyone. That's it for today's Parlez mini lesson. If you found this helpful, try to use one of these words today or during the week. Maybe describe where your cat is, or your phone, or even your cup of tea. Every little bit of French helps. Merci et à bientôt. I'll catch you next time for more beginner French with a laugh. Bisous!